Are you finding that you're in pain more and more often? Did you know that a lot of your everyday aches can be attributed to an alignment issue within your body? With the right chiropractor, you won't have to keep living with the pain. A proper adjustment can be the perfect solution. Today's local expert is here to speak specifically about chiropractic adjustments and how they can literally transform your life.
I hear that question all the time. For my family, my friends, or longtime patients moving away, I ask them to find a chiropractor close by. Do they have a great reputation? They should go online and read the reviews about them. Do family or friends or people they know, do they know them? Have they been around for a while? Have they had the experience needed to tackle tough cases like migraines or herniated discs or pinched nerves or conditions like yours? Are they personable? Is it someone you'll feel comfortable working with, talking with, and understanding? Let's face it, you'll need to know this person, and they'll need to know you. And the better you know each other and the better you interact with each other, the better you will understand the terms or conditions or treatments, which means you'll get better faster. And you'll respond to the treatment, and you'll follow through like you need to. Now that puts you in the driver's seat. And you'll feel much better about your decisions finding a professional that is understanding and approachable and has the experience you need. Our expertise is chiropractic adjustments, and we help people like you relieve their back pain. For those of you who want to learn more, go to www.mychiropractorhoover.com or call us today at 205-444-0727.
Wow, it's great to know how to find the right chiropractor that will help you take your next steps. Don't miss out on your opportunity. Today's expert can be reached by calling the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.